Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Recently, OMG sent me their newest edition of their peel-off base coat. I've been using their peel-off base coat with a milky white formula for like more than 4 years, and now they have a clear formulation. So, let's try it in today's video. When I use their old formulation, I always apply 2 coats for a whole nice peel. But for the new formulation, let's try using 1 coat. It applies smoothly and it doesn't have any odor. After letting 1 coat to dry, I'm applying 1 coat of white nail polish. Then I'm applying another coat. Then I did a nail art. I made an ombre nail art with a reverse stamping design. Of course, I added a top coat and I sealed the tips too. Let's see if it can last a day without peeling off accidentally and if it can peel off as a whole peely. A couple of hours has passed and I've already taken a shower, I already cooked and washed the dishes, and it's still intact. Let's wait tomorrow morning to test to peel it off completely. And it's another new day, so let's try peeling it off. I'm applying cuticle oil first before peeling them off. Okay, so now let's start peeling it off. I'm using a metallic cuticle pusher. Okay, so I'm gently pushing it and it's lifting up. Yay, a nice whole peel. Let's try the remaining nail arts. I'm getting totally impressed with this new formulation. And so it was a successful peel. This new formulation is much better than the old one. I don't have to apply 2 coats for a perfect peel. I'm so glad to try out their newest formulation, and I'm so grateful that it doesn't cost much compared to other famous peel-off base coats. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!